The integration between Spark Hire's video interview platform and Oorwin gives hiring teams immediate access to their candidates' video interviews directly from within Oorwin. Using this integration, mutual customers can send Spark Hire one-way video interview invitations to candidates from within Oorwin. They can also access video interview recordings from Oorwin. To activate the integration, log into your Spark Hire account and navigate to the integrations page for Oorwin in your settings. Follow the instructions on this page to configure the integration. Let's take a look at how it works once the integration has been activated. To send interviews to a candidate, first you will need to link the job in Oorwin to one in Spark Hire. To do this, navigate to the Jobs page in Oorwin and click on the Actions button on the top right. Click Tag Spark Hire Job. There are two options from here. You can make a new job in Spark Hire using the job details in Oorwin by clicking Create New Job. Alternatively, you can link it to an existing job in Spark Hire by clicking Tag Existing Job and selecting a job from your Spark Hire account. Now click Proceed. Next, you'll need to add candidates to a jobs pipeline in Oorwin. You can add candidates to a jobs pipeline in Oorwin by clicking on the Actions button to the left of the candidate's name from the candidates list, selecting Add Pipeline, and selecting the job for which you would like the interview to be created. Once the job is linked and the candidate is in the jobs pipeline, you can now start inviting candidates to one-way video interviews by navigating to the candidate's profile and clicking on the Pipeline tab. Now, click on the Perspective tab before clicking on the Actions button next to the job for which you would like to create the interview. Select Pre-Screen with Video and click on Spark Hire. Next, select the question set you would like the candidate to respond to, set a deadline, and click on Save. You can also invite candidates to one-way video interviews from the Jobs page instead of the candidate's profile. From the Jobs page, click on the Pipeline tab, then click on the Perspective tab before clicking on the Actions button next to the candidate you would like to invite to a one-way video interview. Select Pre-Screen with Video and click on Spark Hire. Next, select the question set you would like the candidate to respond to, set a deadline, and click on Save. You can also select several candidates to use batch actions. Select Pre-Screen with Video and click on Spark Hire. You'll be prompted to select the question set you would like the candidate to respond to, set a deadline, and click Save. When candidates complete their Spark Hire video interviews, you can easily access the interview recordings from Oorwin by navigating to the candidate's profile and clicking on the Communications tab. Next, click on Spark Hire Video Interviews. From here, you can see the Spark Hire video interviews you've initiated with this candidate. If you navigate to the Completed tab, you'll see any Spark Hire video interviews that the candidate has completed. You can review a video interview by clicking View in the column labeled Interview URL. This link can be shared with other hiring team members so they can review the video interview as well. For additional information on the integration, head to sparkhire.com and request a demo. If you're an existing Spark Hire customer, reach out to your Spark Hire Customer Success Manager today.